In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Nexo wallet. So the first thing you have to do here inside Nexo, you want to go to dashboard, scroll down, and first you must actually convert your assets or sell them into one of these Fiat X coins. So you want to go to all assets, select the coin you want to convert. So I'm going to select Nexo coin over here, Nexo token. You want to click on trade, and then you want to do sell. Now you want to sell however much of that specific asset you want. So for example, over here, if I wanted to sell like 10 Nexo, I don't have enough, as you can see, but if I do 9, it's going to say like the minimum is a bit over 10. There we go. So you must have at least the minimum amount to be able to do that. But when you do have that, you'll be able to, of course, receive this into either Euro, USDX, or GBPX. Okay. So when you do that, just press continue, confirm it, and then your order will go through. And basically, you have sold your crypto tokens for one of these Fiat X coins. Once you have your Fiat X, you can just go to Fiat X section over here. And then from here, you can just click on this button which says transfer, and you want to click on withdraw. So I'm just going to show you this with Euro X. You want to go to transfer and then withdraw. And then from here, select if you want to withdraw to a card or to a bank account. If you do bank account over here, you'll be able to basically select your bank country. So for example, if I go ahead and select United Kingdom here, then from here you have to read your important notes, etc. And you'll be able to, of course, select how much you want to withdraw. And then from there, as you can see, my request is below the minimum withdrawal limit. But if you have the withdrawal limit, so if you increase your withdrawal amount, you'll be able to do this by basically just continuing, putting in your bank info and doing it that way. However, if you actually select your card, so if I do withdraw the card, here you'll basically have to put in your card details and the amount you want to withdraw again. So this starts loading for a few seconds over here, and whenever that's done loading, there we go, we have to put in your card name, your number, your expiration date, and then the CVV or CVC. Click on link card, you'll be able to select how much. If you are above the threshold, because there's a minimum withdrawal limit, you'll be able to then withdraw onto your card. So that's basically how to withdraw money from Nexo wallet. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.